Hello my friends, today I'm with Luca, an Italian soccer player. Let's watch an osteopathic treatment. Do you understand some English?
Yeah.
Okay, because we speak a little English and Italian for our audience. So I sometimes speak Italian and sometimes I speak English. Okay, relax, don't help me. Scared? Paura?
No.
Tutto bene?
Sì,
Ok,
ci piace.
let's go ahead. Okay, stand up please. You can sit, no, stay here, just a moment. Let me check just a little test. Please bend in front of you, ti puoi piegare davanti con calma, bravo. Ok, vuoi tornare? Ok, thank you. Now, please, face up. Lie on your back, ti puoi mettersi di pancia su. Bravissimo, fermo così e ti rilassi. Bene. Good. Face up. Everything okay? Hold here, please. Okay. Don't help me. Relax. Good. Please, you can sit on this side. First time doing this kind of treatment? Prima volta che fai questo? Ok, rilassa. Drop your body, ok, lascia vedere. Bravo. Bravissimo. Okay, now please stay here on your elbows. Face down, okay, and relax. Drop your head. Okay, don't help me. Relax. No, release your head. Drop your head. Okay. Good. One more. Okay, leave your head. Relax. No, don't tell me. Relax. Okay. Good. Okay. You can lay down like this. Okay. Face down. Stretch your arms. Okay. And relax. Please hold the head here with your both hands, okay? Okay, good. Turn on this side, please. Okay. Yes. Relax. Don't help me. Relax. Okay, don't help me. Good. Release your legs, lascia cadere le gambe, bravo. Good. Apri un pochino la bocca. Open a little mouth, ok? Relax. Bravo. Again, once more, relax. Once more, relax. Okay, good. Release your mouth. Okay, the jaw has to be very relaxed. Okay. Good. Okay. Little thing? Painful? No?
No, no.
Okay. Okay. Now please sit on the side. Take a moment to rest, recover yourself, okay? Okay, release your mouth. Good. Don't help me. Relax. Release more. Ok. Ok, lascia ancora più rilassata la bocca. Lascia muovere. Bravo, good, good. Relax, relax, ok, please. Ok, good. Va bene? Ci siamo?
Mhm.
Ok. It's alright. Now, let's rub your body. Ok. Relax, don't touch me. No, don't touch me, relax. Ok, good. Okay, perfect. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.
Ciao a tutti.